Kumusta mga ka-tutorial? For today's video, ituturo po natin ngayon yung Be With You. Isang magandang awitin para sa ating Panginoon. Ayan, so ang strumming pattern natin, since ito ay sa beginners, down, down, down. Down, down, down. Kung may alam na kayong strumming or kabisadong strumming, pwede nyo po gamitin sa song na to. So start na tayo. Yung ating intro, meron tayong C, meron tayong D, meron tayong D minor, meron tayong E minor, meron tayong C, and the last is D. So, ayan po. So, simulan natin sa intro, tapos papasok tayo sa unang verse. So, strumming pattern is down, down, down. Let's start. Last is D. Okay, start tayo. Savior my soul, D minor. Sunod dyan is D minor. I can find in you through all my darkest moment. E minor. And you have find the peace, my comfort when I E minor. I trust you to storm and raging sea. So punta po tayo sa second verse. Faithful, you're my God. B minor. D minor, sunod yan. You're the glory and the lifter of my head. C. E minor, and light fills my day. You leads me in your E minor. Forever I surrender all to you. Pagkatapos yan, papasok tayo sa chorus. And I live to worship. B minor. So dyan is E minor. My Jesus, sure. D minor, the only one for G. Nothing will ever take your D, my precious Savior. E minor. A minor. Who can stand between my Lord and me? Balik sa G. Lord, I live to honor. B minor. Ano yan? E minor. And I long to bring my life and offering. Take me higher. D. Draw me deeper. E minor. I give all to be with you. So, ganun lang kadali mga ka-tutorial. Please subscribe and hit the notification upang lagi kayong updated. God bless.